Hi Cancer, this is Wishes of a Wanderer Tarot, and this reading is going to be for Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs for the month of April 2021. Let's see what are the messages that pop out for you, Cancer. Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. You have the Eight of Wands and the Tower card. Wow. Lots of movement, lots of good news coming your way. You can see this card, it's got beautiful unicorns made on it. And they are powerful creatures that come bearing good news. And 8 is a number of transformation, change, growth. And I feel when this news comes your way, it could be a little, you could be taken by surprise. But since it's Wands card, I am associating it with positivity. News can be both negative and positive. Something to do with money, property, new job offer coming your way, a business prospect materializing. Wow, you've got the Queen of Pentacles and the King of Pentacles. Cancer, you could be attracting a soulmate relationship or somebody who you've known is trying to contact you and offering you a new beginning of sorts. You've got a lot of pentacles and wand energy, Cancer. A Scorpio person can be important. Leo, even Leo could be important. Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn also. Even they could be important. Wow, you've got the Seven of Wands as well. Cancer, what I feel here is after a really long time, a time of facing some kind of sadness and challenges and news that could have shaken you, you are gathering the courage to move ahead in life. Things are finally looking good, and this is a time for rebirth. Some kind of you are letting go of some kind of temptation in your life. You could be letting go of a Capricorn or a Scorpio person, somebody whose memories have held you back. They have ill treated you and they've let you down. You could be in a romantic relationship with them. It could have been a clandestine affair as well. Something that was so deep down you knew it's not going to work out, but you still wanted to give it a shot. And of course, it did not work out. The memories of this certain someone have kept you trapped for a really long time, but these memories are now slowly fading, leading to some kind of balance coming back into your life. You are trying to see, not trying actually, you are now seeing little joys in life, some all that makes you feel alive and in your power. All that helps you bring balance is what is attracting your attention now. You could be moving. This is your reading, Cancer, and this is your card, the Chariot. There is a certain movement that is happening. It could be an emotional movement, like I said, movement from the memories of this person, or a physical movement to a new locality, job, college, school, country, something that is absolutely amazing for you. And you are manifesting that, Cancer. Some of you could be feeling a lack of money right now, lack of financial resources. You could be stuck in a job that doesn't pay you that well, or you could be dealing with somebody who left you penniless. Okay. Wow, you've got the 10 of Pentacles and you've got the Page of Pentacles and the 9 of Pentacles. I mean, all good cards in your reading, Cancer. A lot of money, a lot of prosperity coming your way. If you were dealing with some property disputes, it's all going to turn out in your favor. You could be getting some good news about inheritance of some kind of property, job, a new job, a fulfilling career. You are finally realizing why you've taken birth. I know this could be a little heavy to register, but I feel Cancer, you've got the true calling that you were waiting for. You know what your true calling is. Why you were meant to take birth, and the reason behind your existence, Cancer. This is an amazing reading, really amazing reading. So I used to draw a lot of oracle messages, but I just felt that my viewers need more of tarot than oracle, because oracles are quite direct and tarots give extra messages. So more of tarot, less of oracle. King of Pentacles again. You could be getting some kind of proposal from somebody who's a Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn, somebody who comes from a well off background. Somebody wants to offer you this new beginning in love. If you are trying to conceive, this is the right time. April is the right time, Cancer. What is this Two of Swords about? Some of you could be in the this or that energy. What are you guys struggling about, Cancer? Okay. There could be two people involved in your life, a past person and a person who you want to pursue, Cancer. And that is what is causing you this dilemma about who to give a chance to. Somebody from your past wants to come and give it a try. Give this relationship a try, another chance. Cancer, right now, your attention is being pulled in different directions. And what you really need to do is ground yourself so that you can transform smoothly. Don't let other people's energies drag you down, Cancer. Let's see some extra oracle messages for Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Number 13 could be important, 13th of April. Don't let pride get in your way. A Leo person, as I mentioned, could be important. Have faith in your dreams. It could be taking a while, but it'll happen soon, Cancer. It's time to take action. An Aries person could be important. Pay attention to what you need to release, Cancer. It's time to release negativity. Two cards speaking about negativity. Probably you were involved with a Scorpio person and now it's time to release them. And I have a feeling that this Scorpio person is coming back into your life trying to ask for a new chance in love. But this is a time for healing, Cancer, and you don't need to give in to the past anymore. You're good enough. Virgo could be an important sign. For you, Cancer, I'd like to dedicate this beautiful rose quartz crystal so that it blesses you with all the love in the world, Cancer. I hope the remaining months of 2021 treat you with utmost love, kindness, and respect and give you a million reasons to smile. Thank you for watching, Cancer. Bye.